number 4, I don't know if someone replaced your brain with a Benadryl, but like, why would you announce that the orator died? I think you've lost your mind.
Hi guys. I did see that happen. But I don't know who did it. Um, it might have been a master burglar or a hypnotist. It might have even been number 4. I truly do not know. Um, I'm so silly.
I was in the dining room with number 3 in the blackout. Before that, number 9, number 1 were also there. But but before the lights went off, number 9 and number 1 went to the bedroom area. I mean, not exactly together, but after each other, like to do tasks.
I was on my way to the power room.
So I don't know if number 4 is teaming with one of the copycats, because there is no reason to tell that number 12 was the orator. And also, I guess number 10 did kill number 12 because I was watching them in the cams. I was behind the wall, and number 12 was with number 10. And then the blackout did happen, and I did hide in the storage room. But number 10 just said that 4 is scary, so I guess number 10 did kill number 12 because he was with him in the cams. So I guess number 10 is a copycat.
Who's doing the gym? Someone died in the power room and in like the east bathroom. I don't know. Um. Also, why the fuck am I so bad at being a hunter? Like, I was so good at it, but I started to play like final blowout and duo being a hunter. Why is everyone so good? Like, what the fuck? I was literally screaming at my mom for no reason. I feel bad for her. Anyways, I'm gonna explode. I don't have a bomb.
I didn't see you in the storage room number 10.
Dude, number 10, you're so bad at lying.
I am not sure, but number 10 was with number 12. And now 12 is dead, so.
Wait, but didn't 4 see who killed whoever? Wouldn't 4 be able to confirm if 10 did it?
I don't know, number 4 just said that 12 was the
Also,
orator.
I wanna say number 9 was with number 1 before the lights went off. They were in the same direction. They went in the same direction.
So I guess
And
we
9
have
That's
to
didn't say
weird.
suspect
anything.
10 was with number 12 and 9 was with number 1. So.
Dude, that's a little girl and a little girl homicide.
Just
Oh, I
scan number
wasn't with
9
anyone.
and number 10.
Oh, hell no. Don't you have a bomb, man?
Yeah, he was a bad guy.
Wow, I have one more.
I was saying, uh, I thought you were killed. No, actually didn't. Just, yeah, I was kept bored, and I was like, never get to hear me out.
Oh, holy baloney. Oh, okay. She was on the generator. I thought she was with somebody else before, and there's her dead body. Damn. Who? I don't see the portraits, but I'm pretty sure she was with somebody before the lights went off, and she was dead alone in the power room. I mean, I don't know if the other person is dead as well, but there was only one body.
I was in the bedroom.
So there is three people dead. Number two, number three. Oh no, forget. Number two people are dead. So I don't know. Maybe there is two copycats because I am sure that 10 did kill number 12 because he was with number 12 and number 12 did get killed in the same place that he was with number 10. And number 4 did guess about orator, 12 is orator, so he kinda did waste that question. So the only person I trust is number 4 because of the orator question. And I don't know about number 9 because 8 said that 9 was with number 1 and number 1 did appear dead, so I don't know.
Dude, number 3 is a complete weirdo. I spawned with them in the dining room, and I thought they had a bomb, and they kept following me. And like they didn't even have a bomb. They were just following me because they were a pervert. And when the lights turned out, I walked past number 2, and while I was running, I heard number 2 say, "Oh, what the hell?" Like I don't know what the implications of that are, but like number 3 is a weirdo. Number 3 is a pervert.
Hi guys. I was spinning around with number 4, and then number 5 walked past us and was like, "What the fuck?" Um, it's okay though because you don't have to understand our love.
Is the rec room the
Oh
one
wait,
with the
wait, wait.
thing in it?
Number 3 was with number 2 before, but number 2 is dead as well.
Guys, who said that I was with number one the first round? I swear I was with no one. I was alone.
Number 9, I don't think that's important. I don't
Uh,
think that's important,
I
my
swear
guy.
to
So
God. I swear to God I was alone.
So number 7 is saying that 5 did vent in the curation room.
Dude, I did not use any of those
mm,
doors.
It's
I
kind of weird how
didn't.
number 6 and number
Also,
7 did say their alibis because two
every time you
people
go
are
to
dead.
sleep mode, I think you're dead.
every single time. I swear to God, every single time. Cause like yours, like mine doesn't even look.
It's kind of weird how no
What?
one
What
did say
are you
where they
yapping
were.
on
Like no one
about?
here have alibis. Like 6
Well, I had
did
an
say anything.
alibi.
7 was yeah.
You know, I
You
don't
were the
even know
only
what
one who
number
said
9 has been doing this entire game. Number 9's been gone.